Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Epic Games Launcher. So now in order to do this, as you can see, we have currently got the Epic Game Launch open. So what you want to do first is open up the launcher and log into your account. Now, once you logged in, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon. From this menu that comes up, what you want to do is come down to where it says settings and click onto settings, and this is going to take you into the settings for the Epic Games Launch. Now, if there is an update available, you're going to see this at the very top of the screen. If, however, you don't see an option for an update, that means your current version of Epic Games Launcher is up to date. So if there is an update available, as you can see, mine is fully up to date. And what you would do is simply click to install the update manually. So that's how to update Epic Games Launcher, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.